like green beans.
Get on, man.
Okay. You like green beans? You better like green beans. My friend over here is gonna shoot you. You see this dog? You.
Yeah.
We be going gangster style.
Yeah.
Yo, green beans, you taste so juicy. You green like a booger, you make us wanna eat sugar. Yo, green beans, you're a mother from another brother. Okay, restart. Okay.
No, stop. It
makes it funny.
It makes it funny, okay?
Okay, yeah, we messed up.
Yo, do your line again.
Okay. You like green beans? You better like green beans, or my friend over here is gonna shoot you.
Yeah, you see this? This is gonna happen to your brain. Yeah.
We be going gangster style. Yo, green beans, you taste so juicy. You green like a booger, you taste just wanna eat sugar. Yo, green beans, you're a brother from another mother. Word up, man.
Yeah, thank all for everything. Peace out, dog.
Make sure you check our other.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, leave a lot of comments.
No bad ones though.
Unless yeah, I don't know.
But anyway, make sure you check out our other videos.
Yeah, we did one about Snuggies. Then we just did the green bean one.
We're gonna do one about mashed potatoes next.
Next, we're gonna do some Minecraft, man. We should do Minecraft.
Okay.
Or Xbox and flowers and rainbows and dolphins. I'm playing, but still.
We should be like,
Subscribe.
we should
to
make
me.
a song called Gangster Style.